Hey, what's up everybody? This is a tutorial how to get free ringtones for your cell phone. Now, whenever I did it, I downloaded a hell of a lot, but what I did not know is that you can only get like 16 or so many before it starts trying to charge you. So, let me show you here how to do it. Go to browser or internet, whatever you have on your cell phone. Go to somehow get to Google. Don't matter what you go to. I guess you got Facebook and all that stuff, but mobile websites. Google. Search. See, on the rare occasion I actually have service here. Mixer. Couldn't see the keypad there. Freaking BlackBerry. Right there. That would be Mixer. Takes a little while. And see, you should pop up to this. Now, whatever song you want, like, let's see here, what's a popular one? Let's go just type in Lil Wayne. See what we get there. There you are, look at all Lil Wayne songs. If you don't like any of these, there is more ringtones. See, ringtone matches, see more. Just go to that and search whatever you want. And there's a search tab and crap like that. Search no cost only. Check that on or off. Thank you, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a very pleasant day.